In the summer of 1916, the calm and carefree shorelines of New Jersey turned into a stage of historical notoriety. Over a span of just 12 days, from July 1st to July 12th, a series of unprecedented shark attacks occurred, claiming the lives of 4 individuals and leaving another grievously injured. These events not only changed the way people viewed the ocean, but also left an indelible mark on American culture and scientific approaches to marine life. Our story begins on July 1st with Charles Vansant, a 25-year-old who was vacationing in Beach Haven, New Jersey. He entered the Atlantic Ocean without a care, like many others seeking respite from a severe heat wave. Suddenly, a shark attacked, and Charles was pulled from the water with severe injuries. Despite efforts to save him, he succumbed to his wounds, marking the first shark attack of that harrowing summer. Just a few days later, on July 6th, another attack occurred. This time, the victim was Charles Bruder, a 27-year-old Swiss bellhop at the Essex and Sussex Hotel at Spring Lake. He was swimming beyond the breakers when a shark mauled him. Efforts to rescue him were made, but he too did not survive. News of these attacks spread rapidly, instigating panic along the Jersey shore. The climax of terror struck on July 12th in an unlikely location: Matawan Creek, 30 miles inland. Lester Stillwell, a 12-year-old boy, was attacked while swimming with his friends. As the boys hastily ran for help, local resident Stanley Fisher bravely attempted to recover Stillwell's body. In a tragic turn, Fisher became the shark's next victim, dying from his injuries hours later. On that same day, another young boy, Joseph Dunn, was attacked nearby but miraculously survived, adding complexity to the narrative of fear and suspense. This spate of attacks led to a media frenzy and widespread panic, as Americans grappled with the realization that the ocean, a place of leisure and tranquility, harbored unforeseen dangers. Rumors and theories abounded as to why these attacks were occurring. Some believed the aggressor to be a single rogue great white shark, while others suspected multiple sharks, possibly including bull sharks, which are known for swimming inland into brackish and fresh waterways. These events occurred at a time when shark science was still in its infancy. Public understanding of sharks was limited, as they were generally seen as creatures of the deep, unrelated to human life. The attacks of 1916, however, forced a re-evaluation of this perception. Beaches were closed, patrols increased, and the public's fascination with sharks was both fearsome and curious. It was these very events that would echo decades later, inspiring Peter Benchley's novel Jaws and Steven Spielberg's iconic film adaptation. Though the film was a work of fiction, it captured the essence of fear and survival that those on the New Jersey coast could never forget. As the scientific community delved deeper into understanding shark behavior post-1916, it became clear that the complexities of marine ecosystems were to be respected and better understood. The attacks brought about significant contributions to the study of marine life, ultimately leading to a broader awareness of sharks and a more nuanced understanding of their role in the ocean's ecosystem. Reflecting on these tragic events, they serve as a somber reminder of both the beauty and the unpredictability of nature. The 1916 shark attacks are emblematic of a pivotal shift in the relationship between humans and the marine world, a relationship that requires both caution and conservation. In conclusion, while the catalyst for fear and subsequent myths about sharks started with this dark chapter in history, it paved the way for advancements in marine biology and a more informed public. As we look back over a century later, we find ourselves still deeply fascinated by the mysteries of the ocean and the creatures that glide beneath its waves.